The unmanned airstrike occurred in the Nangarhar province of Afghanistan, said Navy Captain Bill Urban, a United States military spokesman. Initial indications are that we killed the target.
This is Life in the Philippines. Breaking news alert.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Life in the Philippines Breaking News Alert. I'm BobbieD. Today's headline: the U.S. launches drone attack on ISIS-K planner. U.S. forces carried out a drone strike on an Islamic State target in eastern Afghanistan on Friday. On Thursday, a bombing outside the Kabul airport killed 13 U.S. service members and left at least 170 people demised. Another 155 people were wounded. The Islamic group claimed Thursday's airport attack, which targeted U.S. troops helping Afghans and allies who were trying to leave the country after the fall of the Kabul government. The operation comes after President Biden promised to strike those responsible for the suicide bombing. The unmanned airstrike occurred in the Nangarhar province of Afghanistan, said Navy Captain Bill Urban, a United States military spokesman. Initial indications are that we killed the target. We know of no civilian casualties. The White House on Friday referred to remarks early in the day from Press Secretary Jan Psaki. During her news briefing, Psaki declined to detail the president's strategy for retaliating against the group he said was responsible for the deadly attack in Kabul. I think he made clear yesterday that he does not want them to live on the earth anymore, Psaki said. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any update coming from Life in the Philippines News. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.